AMTEX 2026. Laser technology and Hans Lasers has collaborated together to bringing high power cutting and heavy fabrication technology into its Indian lineup.
The recent JV between LTPL and Hans Smart Laser Company Limited will open new doors for Indian manufacturing, especially into high power, 3D laser cutting, H-beam, I-beam cutting and special tube cutting. Hans is China's #1 company and that will give us a lot of tools wherein we can increase our productivity as well as profitability with those machines. So we are very happy to bring this innovative and advanced technology in India, for which laser technologies has always been known for. To introduce a right product at right time, and we feel that this is the right time wherein we can cater all India with Hans laser technology and we can give the best possible solution from our side.
We started our cooperation with Laser Technology. Laser Technology is a leading company in Indian laser industry, and we have also a very big company in China. We are the rank 1 in last 30 years, and in last year we finished 2.7 billion USD selling. I think right now we have laser with the Laser Technology. The cooperation will be a very big milestone for this industry, and for the future